Hi, welcome to my video. We explore the charming downtown of Chincoteague, Virginia in this short walking tour on a beautiful but windy October afternoon. We stroll past local favorites, then head to the harborfront where the Virginia love chairs are and look at all the fall and Halloween decorations. This is one of our favorite Virginia destinations, and I hope you like the video. What's this place? Oh, they're closed until today.
Probably decide to take another day.
Looks like a nice store though.
Is this the dope? She didn't like the dose? Yeah, turn to the apartment.
Ooh, the ghost. There's a ghost selling movie tickets. Hello, friendly ghost. Huh. 5 tickets to the Midnight Horror Show, please.
Yeah, Buster.
That's Misty. Nice.
I better go across the street and get
Does it remind you of somebody?
Twilights.
Really nice, all the Misty books.
Look, this is our first Christmas.
Nice. And here's the library. Right here. Looks pretty neat. There's Misty on a pretty blue sky day.
Oh, that's the library.
Oh, the wind is really blowing today after the storm. Right now it's a wind garden today. It's so windy.
Fire station.
That's the fire station for the Chincoteague Fire Station. In charge of the ponies.
Liberty. Where am I supposed to go?
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.